Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can place orders on your MetaTrader 5 on your Android smartphone. To do so, simply just follow simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure of that, go into MetaTrader 5. And here you can see you're on your charts. Now just go on to your trades, which is on the middle bottom of your screen. After that, click on the top right icon on your screen, and here you can just choose any trade with any crypto of your choice. After making your trade, you can just buy and sell, and that is placing orders on your MetaTrader 5. And that's how you can place orders, that is buy and sell of crypto on your MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.